Guys, I'm drenched in sweat. We just came down this freaking tunnel right here. Look, absolutely insane.
You see now the structure of the pavement. Look at it. Let me put the name 3.25 B. Look at the beauty.
Wow.
Here we find rhodochrosite. Look.
Oh, rhodochrosite
Yes.
or rhodonite?
Rhodochrosite.
Wow.
Rhodochrosite.
Aquamarine.
Beryl, aquamarine.
Maybe we found something. Oh yeah, quartz, muscovite, albite. There's a little. Oh, there's something in there for sure. Hey guys, I have a really special treat for you guys today. So I'm back here in the house of Marco Trioni here in Minas Gerais, Brazil. And we're gonna go inside and we're gonna talk with him right now. This vlog is gonna be the second trip to the mine here with Marco Trioni. And first we're gonna start off here in his house, and then we will go to the mines and hopefully see some really cool mining operations. We'll hopefully see some pockets, who knows, you know. But I made that video last year, around the same time last year, and you guys loved it. So I thought, why not come back and make the video again with Marco, but instead this time, we'll start over here at his house. First of all, this is the awesome foyer here that he's got of his house. He's got all these beautiful photographs of lovely tourmaline specimens that he has collected, found, sourced, you know, over the years. That's the heliodor right there. And then you have this nice array of slabs, of agate slabs. I think that's pretty cool too. So we're in his office and he's got some beautiful showcases here with some nice pieces on display. This is actually what you can find when you see him at the shows, these beautiful cases with awesome tourmaline specimens, golden rutile in smoky quartz. Look at that one. Spectacular. Look at this little tourmaline, this pencil right here. Oh my gosh. This beautiful specimen of tourmaline right here. Wow. It's got a cross. A couple of random things here. We have some heliodors, etched heliodors. Gorgeous yellow on that. Beautiful aqua right there as well. Oh, that's spectacular. Over here we have a table of various things on display. I'm going to start with this one right here. It's a absolutely stunning etched aquamarine. Oh my gosh, so spectacular. The inside. This one looks like a flower. It's got beautiful, beautiful, high quality crystallized clevelandite, very gemmy clevelandite, very clear. That in itself is hard to find. Then you have this perfect black tourmaline, which is probably blue capped as well. Beautiful facets of green tourmaline right there. Very clean, eye clean, loop clean. Wonderful topazes as well. He's organizing here. This is Oro Puerto topaz, imperial topaz, Florida paptite. Now this is a rare thing to find at such a large size too. That's incredible. And some more golden rutile and quartz specimens. Look at this one right here. That's insane. The size of that. My God. Look at that, guys. Oh, hi, buddy. What's up? How's it going? Hey. There is the man himself right there.
Hi, friend.
Marco.
How are you?
It's good to see you again, my friend.
It's a pleasure to have you here.
All right. So, let's sit down, have a chat, and then we're going to go to the mines.
Perfect.
All right. So, we're back. I'm so excited.
It's a pleasure to have you here again.
Thank you.
Brazil is a fascinating country, you know, so
is.
it's good for us to meet here and to have a chance to see good rock and the mines.
Yes, absolutely. You guys loved the video last time that we made, and that was at one of your operations, right? The Cruzeiro
Yes.
tunnel, the new tunnel.
Yes. So our idea now is to go again.
Okay.
So you can see how we can upgrade the operation there, because since when you were there, we find 3 or 4 veins more, and in the main vein we go deeper, more than double of the size. So now we are more or less 1 kilometer inside in the mountain and 75 meter down in vertical. We are working very fast.
Oh, wow. Very amazing. And here we have some this example here of the different colors you've been finding, right? Different specimens.
Yes, this is our example of what our operation is able to produce. No? So most of them are from the Cruzeiro place, except the blue color that is from our mine in Golconda, and that green color with blue termination, that is fantastic quality, that came from my mine in Virgem del Lapa. The name is Toca da Onça mine. So this is just an example what Brazil is for Tourmaline.
Okay, and then we're just going to get going. We're going to go to the mines. So let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Good morning, guys. We're here now with Marco.
Good morning.
We're on the way to the mine. We're actually going to take the helicopter there this time. It's faster, yeah.
Faster, yes.
Much faster. To drive there from the center of town is what, 2 hours, maybe 2.5. Mm-hmm. And the roads are kind of bad too, very bumpy. You guys saw last time, I've kind of filmed the section of the road going to the town and to the mine itself. Getting to the town is one thing, and then going from the town to the mine it's a whole different story. The roads are bad, so we're gonna fly there, and we're on the way now. Here we are, guys. This is so cool. We're gonna fly to the mines here. We have a helicopter, there's a jet here. There it is. Here's Marco. I never thought we were gonna fly here. There's our helicopter. The man himself right there. Yeah.
Ready.
Ready. We're going by air this time, guys. There's our pilot. Hell yeah. So this is the helicopter right here. Let's go. Da. All right, Marco's in the front with the pilot, and I'll be sitting over here. Let's go, guys. Muito pesado. Here we are, guys. We just landed here at the Cruzeiro Mountain. We took the helicopter here. That was so fast. Usually it takes 2 hours driving on very bad dirt roads, but this time it took only 22 minutes in the helicopter. That's amazing. We're here now at the Cruzeiro Mine at his new production. So the whole plan here is to see what they've been doing since last year. Last year when I was here with Marco, we saw what he was doing in that current time. He told me that they've actually been digging a lot deeper since I've been here exactly a year ago. So I'm very excited to see what's been going on here. We're gonna go down the same tunnel and see the new production. Hopefully, we'll get to see them hit a pocket. We never know. Probably unlikely, but I'm excited nevertheless. The truck is here. They're gonna take us now to the mine. Got to cover her up there. Now we're going by truck. I'm here in the bed of the truck. We're here on top of the truck, guys. This is Marco's brother-in-law, and wow, this is fun. Riding on the bed of a truck here. All right. Oh yeah. We're on the way. MT Mine Group. Bumpy, super. Wow. Here we are. Oh, going up the... All right. Aw. All right, guys, we're back.
Good.
We're back in the Cruzeiro Mine. And so we've doubled in size, right? Since last time we've been here.
Yes. Now we have double deep in the vein number 1, and we go straight on more 300-400 meters.
For that reason, guys, I'm so excited to be back because since I've been here, we've doubled in size. They've doubled in length. So they've gone down even further. And I'm very excited to see what we're going to find. It's a very long tunnel. Very, very long. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It's not so hot.
Excuse me?
It's nice and
no,
cold.
It's good. It's good.
Yeah.
The temperature here is good.
Very nice temperature.
That's when we go out of the quartzite and we come inside in the pegmatite. So the vein here is vertical. Go 1.5 kilometers top and 1.5 kilometers down. Now we are going down. We want to go down 100 meters. Okay, vertical. Okay. We already done 75, and we are pretty close to the core zone for Tourmaline. You see? Wow. So we go inside here.
You can see all the mica on the walls right there.
And here we do the work to go down.
Oh.
So following the vein vertical.
Holy moly. Oh yeah, look at that. This is like a new production coming up here. They have to sift through all this. Oh, very interesting. Oh, there it goes.
And that is all the material after our blasting yesterday night. So that's all the pegmatite that we blast to,
Okay, it's
to follow the vein.
it's just waste. There's nothing of value in here.
That is the real problem that we have in the mine, because to drill and blast it's pretty fast.
Yeah.
To remove that material we spend 80% of our time and our effort.
I see. The vein stops right
The vein
there.
stops here. Okay? And for that reason I told you, it's a vertical vein.
Look at that split of pigmentite right there, guys. It's very clean.
And here you can see another vein. Our big tunnel here, the purpose was to discover all the veins that don't go in the surface. So we find several. You see, there is another vein, very nice. Compared to the other one is small, but it's big enough to produce. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't have enough time to work on that vein now, but we discovered. So we will do the work maybe in the next 2-3 years here.
On the way back, we're gonna take the motorbike through this tunnel because it's so freaking long that they actually need a motorbike to be more efficient. Walking it's like a cardio workout in itself. It's like running a couple miles.
Several veins here, okay, but that we put the name in the biggest vein, so we get the big one, is the vein number 1, and then the vein number 2. Okay, that is another vein that produces several kind of colors, so it's supposed it's the best vein in terms of variety of color. Okay, so that we will start the work next year too. Here in that level it's too high, so we don't have to. We have to go down. I suppose 50-60 meters vertical, and we can work from the down the bottom part to up.
So you're gonna dig a hole right here and go down.
Yes, I open here maybe 10 meters horizontal, and after I start to go the work like in the vein number 1, going down. Because as I told you, here in Cruzeiro, the Tourmaline usually stay in the lower level of the vein. So what is more convenient for us to do? Need more time, but the best way to do is to go to the bottom of the vein and work from the bottom to up.
You can see the pigmentite, you can see a lot of mica right there. Quartz. Oh yeah. Love me too. Oh yeah. Lots of mica. Wonderful.
We go down.
So this is number 3.
Yeah. So the same logical. Every vein we go down, but more we go inside in the mountain, and less we have to go down, because all the veins that are vertical are on the schist surface that have that inclination. So we go out, we have to go very deep in the first vein, a little bit less deep in the second, a little bit less in the third. At the end, we will arrive on the main tunnel directly in the Tourmaline zone in the vein number 5, 6. So that we work here and we work in the other side, in the opposite direction.
Another deep tunnel. Okay.
And here we are working in that opposite direction. And here we have a small pocket we found.
Oh! Look at that.
Yeah.
Tourmaline, you have muscovite.
Yeah, here we find some chipping quartz. String.
Very cool. Are we going up here? With the mountain? Yeah, cool. I love how this dog is following us.
Se no a gente vai só obedecer e acaba esquecendo os pedaços. Até que afina um pouquinho nivela. Uma coisa só de nível. Então não serve para não deixar nada para trás. Se não fica aqueles negócios assim, e quando a gente passa não sabe como é que é. You see that in the front that we have here. Aqui estreitou muito.
Não, ele tá do lado direito, ele joga e volta.
É.
Ele tá bem largo.
Então, porque aqui acho que você está muito na lateral.
É, tem que jogar aí pro centro.
Tem que
Agora,
jogar
aqui
pra
ele
cá.
tá no centro, ó. Aqui eu fiz a sondagem, aqui tem mais de 1 metro de curva.
É de lá.
Aí aqui, e pra cá também. Aí vai e joga no...
How
And
big
now, unfortunately, it's full of dust. You can see if we wash, we do in our play, we wash. You see the pigment is totally white. But when you blast, you know, it's full of.
Mica.
Look the mica here, because
Oh
when
my God.
when you blast, make a lot of dust. So every explosion cover everything.
Vai embora.
This is hard rock. You see all the dust. Back there was a bunch of mica, bunch of feldspar. Even right here. Oh man, I see mosquitoes here, even down here. That's funny. Look at all the mica.
Aí, Marco. Usar o Vitor bonito ali.
Pressure wash it, and then it's gonna reveal. Oh yeah, quartz, muscovite, albite. There's a little. Oh, there's something in there for sure. Here is number 4. Is this the 4th lane?
Yeah, no, that we put three. These are the 3.1.
Yeah.
Okay. Because before we have to finish all the tunnel to really put them. Because if we consider till now that we put name 3.1, but we already found 6, 7 names.
Yeah.
We just put in the number on the biggest, and after that, close to here, we find another that is very small but super good quality. You see now the structure of the pigment. Look at it. Then you put the name 3.25 B. Look at the beauty.
Wow.
Here we find rhodochrosite. Look,
Oh, rhodochrosite
Yes.
or rhodonite?
rhodochrosite.
Wow.
Rhodochrosite.
Aquamarine.
Beryl, aquamarine.
Look at this gigantic black tourmaline right here. All these flash tourmaline, and you see how it just stops all of a sudden right there with the pigmentite. And so do the tourmalines.
See here the black tourmaline that we find.
Very clean split. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is some recent production here. It's nice. Oh, it's nice. The mica's coming out again. You see this big one right here, it has mica around it. Hey buddy. He's like, are we going up there? Wow.
And here is where our main tunnel is going to.
Oh wait, I gotta
Okay.
see this. This little hole right here. It's good mica. Very good mica.
Ô, Sá,
Right.
tem que fazer tipo um potinho pro carrinho cair dentro do campo.
Fica muito mais fácil. Você gasta energia pouco. And here we are going to the middle of the mountain. We will, at the end, we will go out of the other side of the mountain. So look, another vein. The same, you see the structure, the quartz in the middle, the buried.
Look at that. Beautiful.
And that is the finish where we are. Usually we come inside with the motorbike because by
Yeah.
But
So long.
this. So here we are 1 kilometer inside the mountain. The project will be to continue that front till 2.2 kilometer at the time that we go out in the other side of the mountain. So the mountain is like that.
Yeah.
We are going, we go out in the next 1200 meters.
Wow. Is this just schist?
Schist. And then I will have alternation between schist, quartzite, okay? And after we fall in the pegmatite.
Esse cachorro, esse time vai ter que olhar na frente, você vê, tem sozinho, como é de madrugada, às vezes o menino chegou, a luz apagou.
this is it, guys.
Não vi essa praga entrando, não. Que susto.
This is the end of the tunnel. We didn't see this last time we were here. They weren't this far out. So here we are, guys. We're at the end of the tunnel here. And we've hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think 6 veins so far. I think I only saw 3 last time I was here, if I remember correctly, and we went down one of them. But now they found 6, and this is the end. And he said he's going to dig and come out the other side of the mountain here from the wall behind me in 1,200 meters, which is incredible. You've essentially dug a hole straight through the mountain, and along that hole you have veins that go down like this, because that's where we follow the pigmatite. So now we're going to go to one of the veins and check it out. Some new production. We just lost all the light. It's completely dark in here, guys. All the light bulbs just went out. We just have our flashlights.
O Lé mostrando esse lugar aqui, né? Não? O Lé?
Wow.
O Lé! Moneda caída. Olha lá, olha que tá lá. Ô Lé! O que deu aí, meu filho?
Uh-oh. During the rainy season, we have these electrical issues. There's always problems when you're trying to mine, and this is one of them. He's going to go find the other guy that's working over there, see what's going on. Remember, we had all the lights. Look at how dark it is. He's going to go check the problem out. There he goes. We're going to see what's going on with the lights. We can smell the dynamite gunpowder here. Wow. We're in a very small tunnel. Wow. Look at all these micas coming out. We went up from this little corridor here, and they're clearing the path with all the blasting leftovers. Look at all this mica here along the walls. All this pigmatite. Ooh, you even have a watermelon tourmaline right there. That's amazing. Aquamarine. They put some of the pieces they find on the side. Micas. Wow. Look at all this beautiful mica sticking out the walls. Again, it's covered in this white powder because of the blasting, and it has a smell too. But the moment you clean this off with the pressure washer, it's just going to expose all these beautiful micas. Oh, beautiful, beautiful mica. Very sketchy little wooden bridge here. Down there is the tunnel we came from, actually. See all that mica peeking out from the walls. Look at this right here. Nice tourmaline. A lot of black tourmaline. This is all mica. Did you just find something cool?
Maybe we open the pocket.
Yeah.
But the front is very nice, you see?
Yeah.
Very good.
That's beautiful. Is that morganite color?
No, that we have mixed mica, shorelite, we have quartz, feldspar. So all the elements that we need. Oh, you see all the big mica here that we need to find the pocket. And here, you don't have nothing more.
Yeah.
You blast, you find, or maybe you drill, you find. Don't have other signal now that determine you. So we are on the right way. Just need to be lucky.
It looks pretty lucky right here. Even right here. Wow, look at this tourmaline. It's incredible.
Aí essa rampa depois, vamos utilizar ela aberrando mesmo. Não precisa nem ficar longe não. Aberrando, comendo, tanto vai aguentar o teto, vai aguentar tranquilo. Vamos subindo aberrando.
Aquamarine. Yeah. Rough aqua. What do we have here? Oh, yeah. Oh! Look at the barrel. That's aquamarine. Wow. That's going straight in. So look at all this feldspar. Oh my gosh.
Now, Frank, we have to go down.
Let's go. Oh man. Going down.
Bora. Opa. Ah, tá subindo aqui.
Yeah. Look at these tiny little stairs, guys. Oh my gosh. Tiny little steps. Oh, it's all rusted up and it's wet. Oh. Wow. Probably not the safest thing to hold the camera while I'm doing this. Oh, guys, I just went down this crazy flight of stairs. Oh my God. Oh, all right, let's go catch up with our people now. They're over here somewhere. Okay.
So, when
Yes.
you went here last year,
Yeah.
we are at that level, okay?
Yeah.
If you remember, we just start to go down a little bit, and we have a picture together here.
This was here?
Was here.
Wow.
Now we open more, we go down more in the tunnel. Come here, you can see.
Pega dessa câmera e vai. Fica filmando.
Oh my God.
Quando ele veio, nós estávamos aí, onde é que tem o bicho?
So, we go down deeper than the first part that you already done now.
Yeah. Nossa.
Aqui, ó. Trouxe a mulher pra cá esses dias, não falou nada pro seu Demar, não escondeu do quarto, tá chinelando a mulher gritando, e o seu Demar tá assim, pega, Raul, pega! Achou que era assombração, isso, e batendo na mulher, e tá batia a cabeça da mulher na parede. Lá de Santa Rosa, pega, Raul! E o cachorro latindo, e o seu Demar, eu achei que era assombração.
Wow. Guys, I'm drenched in sweat. We just came down this freaking tunnel right here. Look, absolutely insane. Oh my God. Really sketchy ladders. This is all new. This was blasted yesterday, guys. Yesterday, and now he's going to show us where what they're doing and expose some of the rock and see what's hiding underneath all the dirt and the dust from the blasting. Oh man.
So when we go down, let me wash for you. That is our body, okay? The body of the pegmatite, okay?
Okay.
In that direction, we find the hand of the body. You see the black?
Yeah.
So the black is quartzite. So it's like a sandwich, okay?
Okay.
Here we have the bread, and here in the middle we have the meat. And the other black we have here. You can see. Remember when I told you that every day when we blast, the dust will cover everything, okay? Illumina aqui, tem uma tocha aí. Look, pegmatite, you see the pegmatite here, and that is the black. You see? Ah, now you understand. Look. So all this is the pegmatite, okay? Beautiful pegmatite. Here is we have the wall of black. So that means that our vein is here. Between that black quartzite and the other black quartzite.
Look at that.
Now you will see the contact between pegmatite. Look,
Mandei filmar pra cima também, que eu não vejo também.
Wow.
So that is what determines for us the orientation in the vein.
Mm-hmm.
You see here it's all pegmatite. For what reason, when we arrive here, we cut the pegmatite in the middle? Because we cross the pegmatite,
Yeah.
and we have to understand where is the better line to follow for tourmaline. Because the pegmatite is 60-meter thickness here. That don't mean that produce during all the thickness.
Yeah.
Have only one line that we have to follow. Usually when we have orthoclase, black tourmaline, and quartz, so we follow that line. So when we cross here, we determine the best place to come inside that one. See, we are following that place. Because that part, that is big feldspar, that is very good for us. Here you have quartz, you see?
Yes.
And now you don't see, but under here that we make explosion. Yes, and under here I have the black tourmaline. So that is the place that usually we follow.
How recent was this?
Oh, that we blast yesterday. So we do in the last 20 days that work here, okay? And yesterday here we blast, I suppose, 2 times. And yesterday night we blast here too. Because now we cross all the vein.
Wow.
So that is the unique way that we can have. We have to make the investigation. The unique way is to blast and go ahead.
Yeah. Look at all this mica. Wow.
This is the pneumatic drill that we use. We make a drill 1.6 meter. So we usually depend on the size of the front, but we put 40, 60, 70 drill, and we blast 100, 200 kilo dynamite or 300, depending on the size.
Is this garnet?
Yes.
Garnet with the mica?
Yes,
Oh my
yes,
God.
yes.
Wow. This is all new production.
Deus de massa tá aí dentro, não colocou
Once
outro.
we
Todo dia detona, não tem um dia que não detona. E pior ainda que as orelhas estão banadas, dois que ele desceu o ônibus.
clearing away all the dust from the blasting, it reveals all this beautiful
Você me
mica.
dá na louça, amarela, o só foi assim, Marco. Olha depois. O lado onde eu fui pesado aí.
Maybe there's something in here. Maybe we found something.
Cai, não. Agarrado.
Eu vi o Luiz também ontem à noite, eu tava saindo no...
Oh guys, I'm so gassed, I'm so winded from going down that tunnel and coming back up those ladders, but we're out now, and that was quite the experience. All that new tunnel right there, we didn't go down that last time, so I'm so tired right now. Oh my God. So it's lunchtime now, guys. Cooking up some nice food here. Traditional wood fire. What do we got? We got some, no. They're playing pool over here. Let's see if he can hit it. Oh. They love to play pool afterwards. Let's see what he's got. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Oh, too strong. Oh, no. 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 Lunchtime now. We have an awesome lunch. Beans, rice, farofa, meat, beef and chicken, some beets, some eggs, guarana, Coca-Cola. We have all the boys here. We have our lovely pilot, very handsome pilot. We have Marco Trioni, the Italian stallion, the man, the one and only.
Cool.
Very good, very good.
Coca-Cola and Christmas.
Papa Noel. You look right there, you can see the pigmentite line on the edge of the mountain there. There could very well be pockets of pigmentite, tourmalines, aquamarines, just, you know, if you just dug a hole right there. This whole mountain, this whole area is so rich with pigmentite, it's incredible. And there's a couple of really well-known mines that operate here on this mountain. For example, the Ariconga mine, the Cruzeiro mine, with many different tunnels owned by not just one person, but you know, a couple of different people, as well as the PKS mine. That's another operation, and they're all within a mile of each other here. But the scenery out here is so beautiful. I love how they're growing these pineapples right here. They brought them from the Pedernera mine. They're really cute, really small pineapples, and they're so sweet. They don't grow to be very big, but they're so delicious. Here's a small pile of tailings as you come inside the main entrance of the mine. There's not going to be anything in here. You're not going to dig through that and find much of anything at all. Just specks of mica, some big chunks of feldspar. Nothing pretty, nothing worth anything, so they just kind of leave it here. But they bring truckloads of this out when they're in production every single day. You know, they'll probably have 2 or 3 truckloads when they're blasting and trying to clear stuff out. So the process of mining and everything that goes on in mining, every little moving part that you need to function properly is so intensive. This is the surface of the mountain here. This is what it looks like on the surface, and the tunnel goes inside and down. Incredible. All right, we're headed out now. That was an awesome trip.
Ready to come back.
Yes, I am ready. I am ready. What an amazing experience. Bom? Muito obrigado. What an awesome experience. Oh man. All right. So we just got back, guys, from the Cruzeiro Mine, and we saw the new production. Every time I come here now, I'm so impressed with how much energy it takes to mine the tourmalines. My legs were dead.
That I believe it. Was very deep the tunnel now in the vein number 1. Eh?
Yeah, it was 2-3 times deeper. When you showed me the spot where we took a photo last time I was here, I don't remember it. I don't even recognize it.
Yes. We improve a lot the work there.
Wow.
And next time when it will come,
Yeah.
the tunnel will be deeper again, because now we go down 24 big steps for 3 meters each step, and the target is to arrive at 30-32, so we'll be 100 meters down of the level of the main tunnel.
Wow. 100 meters.
Prepare your leg and your exercise to go.
I'm gonna do some exercise before I come here. But it was very impressive seeing it, and we saw some new pockets, new production, right? We saw the walls that had potential, and that was really cool as well. So thank you so much.
It's a pleasure to have you here, and see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time, guys, and thanks for watching.